If you want to know how to fix already enrolled in Zelle, you've come to the perfect video because I found an official answer on their website, zellepay.com. They have a frequently asked area where we can see this topic. When trying to enroll with Zelle, I received a message saying that I was already enrolled. Why? So let's see what's inside, and we can find that your mobile number or email address may already be enrolled with a bank, credit union that offers Zelle. In order to enroll with a different bank or credit union or in the Zelle app, your mobile number or email address must be removed from where it was initially enrolled. To do so, contact the customer support team or where you initially enrolled and ask to remove a mobile number or email address. If you're already sure where initially it's enrolled, contact customer support or get in touch through your support page at zellepay.com/support/contact. Once completed, you may now enroll the mobile number or email address and start sending and receiving money with Zelle. Hope this video helped you out. Goodbye.